So kind of an interesting journey as well, because me and Ava, both our background is in real estate as agent. We started out in real estate as real estate agents, and in your case it was the same thing. And you kind of moved on to the commercial side of it. And tell us, how did your start come into the private equity side and the capital raising and the fund kind of creation fund, the managing of funds, if you may.
So during the years when I was working as a broker, I had a few clients come to me and say, we would like to buy, but we would like you to get involved. I think for two reasons. One is they want to see that I don't sell them, the dogs and the fleas. But the other thing is those guys are guys that don't work in real estate. They are not real estate people. They just wanted to invest in real estate. So they were looking for someone that will do all the, hard job and put their hands in the mud and do the leasing and the property management and fixing everything. So that's how it started. So I've done a few syndications. And we kind of tapped with everything, industrial and office and retail. I did one residential development, and I said never again. I'm never going again to development. Every city employee would afford can come and stop work, and I said, yeah, I'm not dealing with contractors and subcontractors and engineers and all that kind of equation of doing development from ground up. So I focused on buying revenue producing properties. We did really good on our returns, exceptionally good on our returns. And the person that suggested that instead of doing one syndication at a time is building a fund was basically my real estate and business lawyer. Because that's what he does for a living, is mostly private placements and private REITs and private companies. So he was the one who suggested to do a fund, which is a trust. Ours is a trust, so people can use it for RSP, TFSA, and all other tax-deferred programs. And so I did about a year and a half of research, and that's where Barclay Street comes to as an advantage, because we have here a lot of information at our fingertips. Where Barclay, being a privately owned brokerage, we are part of a group called TCN, Worldwide Real Estate Services, with offices all over North America. So we were able to get a lot of information from other markets and define the markets we want to be active in. And so we're not buying all over North America. We have defined markets that we are focused on, and that's how we started the fund. The first fund was launched in 2014, and we closed it 2 years ago. We raised $21 million, and we bought 9 properties.